Good day, students. As we continue having our lessons about math, let's have a review about quadratic inequalities. So last time I told you or taught you about quadratic inequalities and how to solve them. But what if you have encountered questions like this? Na you are asked to get the solution of a quadratic inequality and you are given choices. If this is the case, hindi mo na kailangang isolve pa yung mahabang solution kasi pwede mong i-try na lang yung mga solution na nakalagay dito sa A, B, and C. So, ganito yung gagawin natin. So, sa letter A, magta-try ka ng number na greater than negative 6. So, mas malaki sa negative 6 is negative 5, di ba? So, itatry mo yung quadratic inequality na yan. So, sulat natin x squared plus 8x plus 12 is greater than 0. So, papalitan natin yung mga x ng negative 5. So, negative 5 squared plus 8 is negative 5 plus 12 is greater than 0. Check ko lang kung nagre-record kasi baka mamaya hindi pala. Okay, nagre-record naman. Okay. So, i-substitute natin, negative 5 times negative 5, positive 25. 8 times negative 5, negative 40, plus 12 is greater than 0. So, 25 minus 40 is negative 15, plus 12 is greater than 0. So, negative 15 plus 12 is negative 3 greater than 0. Is this true or false? It is false. Therefore, this letter A is not the answer. Let's try letter B, less than negative 6. So, let's try a number that is less than negative 6. Therefore, we can say that negative 7 is less than negative 6. So, let's try it. X squared plus 8x plus 12 is greater than 0. So, papalitan natin yung mga x, magiging negative 7 squared plus 8, negative 7 plus 12, greater than 0. So, negative 7 squared is positive 49. Positive 8 times negative 7 is negative 56 plus 12 is greater than 0. 49 minus 56 is negative 7 plus 12 greater than 0. So we will have 5 greater than 0. This is true. Therefore, hindi mo na kailangan i-try yung letter C kasi B is the solution. So B is your answer. Another example, 3x squared minus 3x minus 18 is less than or equal to 0. So this is a different kind of solution set. So you will think of a number that is true to that particular solution set. So let's try letter A. Negative 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3. So yung pagitan daw na negative 2 and 3. So pwede natin i-try yung 0. So try natin 3x squared minus 3x minus 18 is less than or equal to 0. Palitan natin yung mga x ng 0. So we have 3 0 squared minus 3, 0 minus 18 is less than or equal to 0. PEMDAS dapat. So, una yung exponent bago yung multiplication. So, 3, 0 squared is 0. 3 times 0 is 0 minus 18. 0 times 3 is 0 pa rin. Siyempre, mawawala na to. Magiging negative 18 na lang is less than or equal to 0. So, mas maliit ang negative 18 sa 0, therefore, ito na yung true. Hindi na natin kailangan gamitin yung iba kasi true na nga yung letter A. Sa letter B, mali yung ganitong klase ng solution set kasi dapat mas nauuna yung negative case, yung mas mababa kaysa dun sa mas mataas. So, mali yung solution set na yan. Tapos ito naman, pwede naman natin i-try pero nakuha na natin yung true dito sa A, kaya hindi na natin i-try yung letter C. So, I also try to make my students answer quizzes because it's a good way of reviewing their lessons. So let's move forward. We have here example of a picture of a game. So this game is Angry Birds. So Observe the pictures. The first picture is a picture of a game which is Angry Birds. The next one, a man playing basketball. Next is the jump of the dolphin. So, what do you notice to the following pictures? So, mapapansin natin na lahat sila nakakabuo ng curve. Ano pang napapansin natin? Bukod sa curve na nagagawa nila, yung curve na nagagawa nila, pag paslant yung bato ng bagay, paslant din yung bagsak niya, di ba? Pa-curve din yung bagsak niya. So these graphs are presentations of quadratic functions. So we're done with quadratic equations. We're also done with quadratic inequalities. Now we're going to talk about quadratic functions. So, ano nga ba yung quadratic functions? Yung quadratic function ay useful sa totoong buhay, sa mga nangyayari sa totoong buhay, like buildings, kino-compute mo yung pinakamataas or pinakamababa na point na pwedeng maabot ng isang binato na object, pag-a-analyze ng paggalaw ng mga bagay at marami pang iba. So, ang mga example nito, yung number 1, target an object in upward direction, pag nagbato ka pataas. Pangalawa, throwing an object down or pagpababa, ganun din, may curve din. Shooting ball, katulad ng basketball kanina. Minimum point, submarine, pagbaba ng submarine sa dagat. Number 5, launching rocket. So, yung mga ginagawa na pag-launch ng rocket. Okay, so, illustrative examples. So, number 1 is an example of quadratic function. So, yung tatlong numbers na ito ay magkakaiba na itsura ng expressions. At makikita natin dito kung ano ba ang itsura ng isang quadratic function. So, yung number 1 ay isang quadratic function. Makikita tayong letter Y, meron din makikita tayong f of x. Ano ibig sabihin nito? Ibig sabihin, there are two ways of writing quadratic functions. So, pwedeng letter A, pwede mo isulat siya na y is equal to x squared plus 6x plus 8, or pwede mong gamitin yung f of x. Kasi ibang ginagamit for y ay f of x or f quantity x. Yeah. So, x squared plus 6x plus 8. So, pareho yung dalawang yan ay tama. So, pwedeng y ang gamitin or pwedeng f of x. Kaya nilagyan ng y is equal to f of x is equal to x squared plus 6x plus 8. So, ito ay isang quadratic function. Bakit siya tinawag na quadratic function? Kasi, meron siyang degree na 2 at yung coefficients niya ay real numbers. So, number 2 ay hindi isang quadratic function. Bakit siya not? Kasi, degree lang niya ay 1. Wala siyang exponent na 2. So, hindi siya quadratic function. So, mapapansin natin pag quadratic function, gumagamit siya ng dalawang letters. Hindi katulad sa quadratic equation, gumagamit siya ng isang letter lang, x lang nakikita natin. Dito may nakikita tayong y or may nakikita tayong f. Sa quadratic inequality naman, iba rin siya kasi hindi siya gumagamit din ng dalawang letter, gumagamit pa siya ng ibang symbol na inequality. So, hindi rin siya pasok sa quadratic function. Pag sinabi quadratic function, gumagamit siya ng dalawang letters. X and Y ang particular madalas na ginagamit natin kasi nga, pag nag-graph, ginagamit yung Cartesian plane where yung horizontal, di ba, yung x-axis, tapos yung vertical, yun yung y-axis. So, number 3 is also not a quadratic function. Bakit? Kasi merong x squared. Na pag minultiply mo yung x squared dito, magiging exponent niya ay 4. X times x times x squared. Magiging x raised to 4. Which is hindi isang quadratic. Kasi ang quadratic exponent ay 2. So, mukha lang siyang pwede kasi nga itong dalawa, pwedeng maging quadratic. Pero meron kasing x squared pa. So, pag binultiply mo yan dun sa dalawa pang yun, magiging x raised to 4. So, hindi siya quadratic function. So, pakita natin yung itsura ng isang quadratic function. So, yung itsura ng quadratic function, katulad ng x squared plus 6x plus 8, na ginamit ang f of x, pwede mo siyang mag-graph sa pamamagitan ng paggawa ng table of values. So, ito yung tinatawag na table of values. Na itong table of values na ito ay ikaw ang bahalang maglagay ng values ng x. Tapos, makukuha mo yung value ng y. So, lagay natin, you will give values of x to get the values of y. Okay. So, let's have an example. Yung negative 5, yung dahilan kaya nakuha yung 3. So, dito, lagyan natin ng example. Isa-substitute natin sa x squared. Diba? Y is equal to x squared. Kasi f of x yun, diba? So, y. So, pwede natin palitan ng y. Pwedeng or y. Okay? Tapos, plus 6x plus 8. Kinopya lang natin to ha. Ito lang yun. Okay? Tapos, isa-substitute natin yung x. Papalitan natin yung x nitong negative 5 na to. So, negative 5 squared plus 6 times negative 5 plus 8. So, magiging negative 5 times negative 5 is positive 25. Plus 6 times negative 5 is negative 30 plus 8. So, magiging y is equal to 25 minus 30 is negative 5 plus 8. Negative 5 plus 8 magma-minus kaya magiging 3. So, kaya siya naging 3. Kuha. So, ganun nakuha yan pati yung 0, negative 1, 0, and 3. Tapos, reviewin natin paano nag-graph ng quadratic functions at anything na ginagraph sa Cartesian plane. Diba? Ito yung x-axis. Yan, ito yung x-axis. Itong patayo naman, ito yung tinatawag na y-axis. Ha? Lalagyan ba natin? Yung puti, may puti ba? Ha? Wala. E di, wag na. Tanong na. Pwede namang bumili tayo. Oo. Lalabas ako mamaya. Pwede namang ihuli yun. Sige. Ayan, so y siya, y-axis, tapos ito x-axis. So pag nag-graph tayo, meron tayong tinatawag na ordered pair. So ito, example nito, ordered pair siya. Ordered pair, di ba? Ano yun? Ito yung negative 5 saka 3. Ito yung x, ito yung y, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, yung negative 5 muna yung una mong hahanapin sa x-axis. So, saan dyan yung negative 5? Ito yung negative 5. Negative 5, tapos yung 3, asan? Ito yung 3. Ito yung 3, ito yung negative 5. Pagtatagpuin, kaya nakuha yung bilog na yan. Okay? Negative 5, 3. So, binubuo lahat ng mga point ng ordered pair. So, ito, negative 4, 0. Negative 4, ito yung negative 4, tas 0. Kapag 0 ang... Oh my God.